Welcome to my video. This is a painting that I'm doing in a long series of quick studies based on a whole ton of screenshots from Planet Earth 2. I wanted to find like a nice structure to practice rendering, and I thought, yep, let's paint 70 screenshots from Planet Earth 2. Planet Earth 2 is pretty, therefore my studies will be pretty. These little guys that I'm painting right now are Madagascan Lemurs, and they like to hang out on these super spiky trees. And these are the trees. They don't really look like trees, but I'm pretty sure they're trees. The spikes are small enough that you can't see them at this distance, but they are quite big. And because of the spikes, the only critters that can hang out on them are these special lemurs that can jump really awesomely. So they kind of have a corner in the market for spiky lemur trees, which is pretty cool. Yay, nature. This brush is one of those T Webster brushes. And if you're a digital artist using Photoshop and you don't have literally every single brush that T Webster's ever made, I highly recommend remedying that situation, because your life will be so much better once you start using those brushes, because they're awesome. So the focus of these paintings is, or studies, painting studies, is texture and render and I guess shape as well, and tone. Color not so much, although it's a kind of a necessary part. So the lighting in this, I went a bit crazy with it. The actual reference, the rim lighting and the sky is not as pronounced, but I really like harsh lighting. I really like a sort of almost, I mean, this isn't chiaroscuro, but I like things that go in that direction, so a little bit of creative license there. Adding that really, really bright light on the lemurs' backs. So that makes my life even more fun when I get to do that. I'm not only using T Webster brushes, there's some other brushes here that I've been using, which are pretty good. I guess I'll just put links to the brushes in the description. I could do that. That would be helpful. Yeah, links in the description for where I got all my brushes. Because no one does that, and that is a shame, because you're always like watching people paint, which I do a lot. It's useful. Yeah, you're always watching these people paint, and they're using these like really crazy brushes, and I'm like, where'd they get those brushes from? And then I spend like 3 hours, and I'm like, oh, that's that brush that I wanted to play with, because it's cool texture, and it'll make my life easier. Anyway, the brushes that I used, I'll link below.